Good. So recording has been started. File sharing as well. This is the task file session 2 in which we are working upon. Good. Let's move ahead. Now here in the arithmetic operations worksheet, let me just ask you a very simple question that say if I want to write that anyone who has got more than say 450 will get a gift of 1000 rupee. Now there are a number of students, I mean 90 students are there in this worksheet. जो लोगों का बाद में एडमिशन हुआ उनको थोड़ा सा ऐसा लगेगा हमारा नाम नहीं है, डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. दिस वन इज द प्रीवियस होल्डर फाइल. अच्छा, अब बाजू में लिखना है ये वाले कॉलम में विच इज एल नंबर्स कॉलम. आई वांट टू गिव द गिफ्ट टू ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स हु हैव गॉट मोर देन 450. One way is I'll be going there and manually searching who has got 450. I'll be writing the gift of 1000. Yes or no? लेकिन ये तो कौन सी जिंदगी हुई? आम जिंदगी. हम कौन सी जिंदगी जीते हैं? मेंटोस जिंदगी. Now what should we do? Now we have got the if function. Yes, dear. Yes, raise your hand. Someone wants to say something? Acha, okay. So we will be using the conditional functions over here for this. What is the word we have got in the English to denote a condition? If, right? Excel भी कॉपी करता है इंग्लिश को, उसने भी if करके एक फंक्शन डाल दिया. बोलो तो कोई बात नहीं, let's use this. Every formula function in Excel starts with a sign of equal to. Now it has got the tremendous utility. Many logical tasks can be done by using this function. We'll explore that one by one. Here I want to give the gift. So I'll start with if. Let me use the magnifier so that you get it in a better way. So I'm starting with a sign of equal to there. Then there is if. If itself is a formula function there, open a bracket. Now in the syntax of if, there are three arguments given to you. One is the logical test that stands for the condition which you want to apply. What is the condition we have got? Total marks shall be more than 450. Now I'll be selecting a cell with a relative reference. So whenever I'll be copying and pasting it down, no, it will automatically change its range. Relative reference agar kisi ko yaad aa raha ho to. Now I'll select that cell and I'll give a condition. And to give a condition of more than, equal to, less than, you may use the signs given in the keyboard itself. So I'm selecting a cell which is say J2. Now this cell shall be more than, so I'm using the sign of more than 450, right? So writing 450 over there manually. What? I have selected K2. It's okay. K2 is the second highest mountain, no? Okay. कोई बात नहीं. J2 shall be more than 450. Now see, if you want to go to a next parameter of the syntax, no? Friends, you may press the comma. Wherever we'll be moving to another parameter in the syntax of formula, we'll always press the comma. So let's press the comma. We are there now into a highlighted box, which is the value if true. Now, if this condition gets satisfied, what do you want to give? क्या हमें देना है? 1000. Now, gift of 1000, if the text is there, no, then the text must be there in a double inverted comma. If it is purely a number, you may just keep it plainly without inserting any double inverted comma. So gift is basically a text, a word, alphabets, right? Hence we'll have to write it in the double inverted comma. Single inverted comma को double बार नहीं लिखना है. Double inverted comma को एक बार press करना है. Please take a note of it. दो single को इकट्ठा करते हो तो वो mingle नहीं बन जाते. Couple is different from the two singles, right? So double inverted comma, entering that. And value I am writing gift of 1000. Then closing the double inverted comma. Then pressing the comma to go to the next parameter, friends. Now I am there into value if false. If this condition is not satisfied, do we get anything? So I am writing BKT. DKT is again alphabet, so I'm writing that in double inverted comma. DKT, closing the double inverted comma. DKT, ये क्या था? BKT, बाबा जी का ठोलो. Closing the bracket and pressing enter. Gift of 1000 is written. Why we are doing this? Because we don't want to apply it again and again, right? We may just have a copy and paste it down to other cells, or going over there in that box and left hand side corner, once this kind of, the cross gets visible, just have a double click, so it will get applied in the entire range of the data. Check it out. How many of you are able to do it? Please raise your hand. Only one? Oh, 2, 3, 4. कितने लोग कर पा रहे हैं? कोई तो लोग मेरे को एकदम अटेंशन से सुन रहे हैं लेकिन कर नहीं रहे. बोलो. वेरी नाइस. क्या हो गया? कीबोर्ड ही नहीं चल रहा. So many of the students are getting the same doubt over there. See, try to understand. Based on the software, some features will differ. So in some of the cases, the double click is not working. What you'll have to do, my friend, is if the double click is not working, no, you may just copy this cell, which is L2 in my case, and then go over there in the different cells where you want to paste it. Then after having the control C, you may have the control V over there, which is for paste. Now the good thing about this is that it is changing its range automatically. The range of the total we have given, no, it is changing to J3, J4, J5, and automatically we are getting whether we are eligible for the gift or not. Is it clear? Yes. Is there any doubt now for this function? Let's do it for second time. We'll get habituated to it. जो लोगों को अभी भी थोड़ा सा तकलीफ हो रहा है, nothing to be worried about. We are going to have the enough practice of it. Let's go to the second. Now, giving you another condition, please focus. I want to give a marks. I want to give a gift of 1,000 only if that fellow has got more than 90 in any of a subject. I hope you are getting my point. Now I want to give a gift, but only if that fellow has got more than 90 in any of a subject. 6 में से कौन से भी तो एक सब्जेक्ट के अंदर उनके more than 90 होने चाहिए. Now any of the subject मतलब कि अपन किसी maximum को भी ले सकते हैं कि maximum of his total marks shall be more than 90. Yes or no? So maximum of any of the subjects should be more than 90. This is my condition. Now the good thing about if function is that you can insert any functions you want to insert within the if. Any functions you take which are formula function in nature, no, for the MS Excel, you may enter as many number of functions inside that formula itself. That's a good thing about this formula functions. So कैसे करते हैं? Let's go step by step. Over here to the next column, I want to give the gift only if that fellow has got more than 90 as a maximum in any of his subject. So let's go over there, equals to if function, open the bracket like this. Then the logical test is that the maximum marks should be more than 90. Now first I need to find the maximum marks of his subject, right? Of his, yes. First I need to find the maximum marks, right? So for maximum we have got another function like max, right? Now start with the max. I hope everyone is there with me till now. Then for maximum 2, I need to again insert one more bracket. Because I need to give the range for a maximum. No, for every formula function, every sort of data collection must happen inside the bracket. That's the golden rule. Now I'll be selecting the range. I want the maximum of all the subjects. So I'm selecting a range like this. Just go over there in the first one, which is starting from the finance. So shift right arrow, and I'm selecting up to all the marks, excluding the total, because anyway the total will be more than 90. Do not select that. Only up to all the subjects. So this sort of a range is visible to me, D2 to I2. Is it clear? Now close the bracket. Now this function will give you a maximum mark of your subject. लेकिन हमारी अधूरी कहानी, because this maximum mark should be more than 90. Yes or no? I have closed this maximum bracket now. Now again, I am inserting the more than sign. because this maximum mark should be more than 90. So now I am giving the 90 condition. Check it out. My syntax is looking like this. So if in bracket max, open the bracket, select the range. So Excel will find the maximum of it. Once the Excel will find it, that should be more than 90, yes or no? Now I am still there in the if function, huh? And in the if function, I am there in the first parameter itself. To go to the second parameter, what should I press? Comma. Comma से कहानी अधूरी रहती है, पूर्ण विराम से खत्म होती है ना? So value if true. Now if this condition is satisfied, what do I want to give? Gift of 1000 rupee again. Now that must be there in a bracket because it's there in a text. And if you want to just write it in numbers, no, you may just write 1000. तो फिर आपको डबल इन्वर्टेड कोमा में डालने की जरूरत नहीं है. So gift of 1000, closing the double inverted comma. अब तो राम कहानी जैसे पहले चलती थी वैसे की वैसी. Pressing the comma to go to the next one. And if this condition is not satisfied, then BKT. कैसे याद रह जाता है? देखो BKT तो कोमा याद नहीं रहता, BKT याद रह गया. BKT, closing the double inverted comma. And my friends, we have inserted one more bracket over there, right? Next वाला bracket को close किया है, लेकिन वो वाला bracket को close करना बाकी है अभी तक. So let's have the bracket close over there too. This is how my syntax will be looking like. अब क्या प्रेस करना है? Enter. हर बार करने की जरूरत, ज्यादा टेंशन लेने की जरूरत है कि नहीं है? कॉपी करके सिर्फ क्या करना है? पेस्ट करना है. कोई लोगों में डबल क्लिक ऑप्शन नहीं आ रहा है तो कॉपी करके पेस्ट भी कर सकते हो. लेट्स कॉपी दिस सेल. नीचे वाला रेंज पूरा सिलेक्ट करो, नीचे 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 सिलेक्ट करते जाओ. हैव अ कंट्रोल V देयर. And many of the students are getting qualified for this. Oh my God. किस्से में से पैसे बहुत जाने वाले हैं हमारे. Is it clear? How many of you have done it? Raise your hand, please. This is the considerable number. Very nice. So second time the number has improved a lot. How many are facing the struggle? Raise your hand. One student here, two there. Formula dekha do. Okay. My formula is visible over there. Check it out if you are making some mistakes. ऐसे ही formula होना चाहिए. Mistakes को देखो. Okay, let's move ahead. Let's move ahead. Now, अच्छा एक और कंडीशन डालते हैं. किसी भी सब्जेक्ट में, कोई भी सब्जेक्ट में लेस देन 50 नहीं होना चाहिए, तो ही गिफ्ट देना है, अदरवाइज नहीं. आई गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? मतलब कि अगर एक में भी लेस देन 50 हुआ, we don't want to give the gift to them or her. Now can someone tell me what can we do for that? Think about it. Think about it. Yes, to the online students, I am asking one question, that we want to give now gifts to that fellow only if he has got more than 50 in every subject. Yes or no? Or in other words, I can say that if he has got less than 50 in any of the subject, then also we do not want to give the gift. In other words, I can say that he should get more than 50 in all the subjects. Clear hai? So that's the second condition. Think about it. Try to do it from your end. I'll be doing it after a minute. आप अपने हिसाब से थोड़ा कोशिश कीजिए दिमाग लगाने की. देखिए क्या होता है. I am doing it in 30 seconds. Okay, can I repeat the question? That fellow should get more than 50 in all the subjects. Then only we want to give the gift, otherwise not. Let's do it. Okay, let's move ahead. Nothing to be worried about. It's slightly difficult. That's why I'm here. In every subject, the marks shall be more than 50, right? Now, there are two more functions called as or and and. Now, if you want to give the multiple conditions in if, no? Till now, what we have seen that we were giving only the one condition, right? The maximum shall be more than 50, or say a total shall be more than this or that. But now we want to give the multiple conditions. Why multiple? Because we want to apply the condition to each and every subject marks. And in multiple conditions, if we want to satisfy all the conditions, then we will use the and. And if we want to satisfy only one of the conditions, then we will use or. Are you getting my point? अगर हर एक कंडीशंस को सेटिस्फाई करना है तो एंड यूज करेंगे, लेकिन जितनी भी दी हुई है उसमें से सिर्फ एक को भी करना है तो और यूज करेंगे. कैसे? So let's go over there in the next column. Equals to if, open the bracket. Now before I start giving the conditions, multiple conditions, I will use and. Why and? Because in all of my subjects I want the marks to be more than 50. After pressing the end, I will again open the bracket, and now I will keep on giving all the conditions I want to give. So I will first select the marks of subject 1. Now that marks shall be more than, first select this finance marks, that shall be more than 50, comma. So this is how it should be looking like after applying the first one. Now in this bracket, after this end, once this bracket is inserted, no, in this bracket we'll apply all the conditions putting together, और हर एक condition के बीच में एक एक comma आना चाहिए. नाउ दूसरी कंडीशन कौन सी होगी कि दूसरे सब्जेक्ट में भी कितने होने चाहिए, मोर देन 50, विच इज अकाउंटिंग. सो सिलेक्टिंग दिस ई वाला सेल, that shall also be more than 50, comma, selecting the economics wala cell, even that shall be more than 50, comma, HR cell, that shall be more than 50, comma, marketing more than 50, comma, Excel shall be more than 50. Now closing the bracket. Now try to understand. We have given how many conditions here? 6. And all the 6 conditions were into one bracket, right? And between all the conditions, we have inserted a comma. We want to satisfy any of these conditions, or we want to satisfy all the conditions? All. That's why we have put and. Yes or no? Good. Now, once you close this bracket, again press the comma, because we are still there into the main syntax of the if function. Yes or no? Press the comma. We are still there into if. Now we are into a second parameter of if function. It's a bit sort of a logical programming we are doing right now. Value if true. अगर ये सभी कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई होती है, then what do we want to give? Gift of 1000, yes or no? So let's put that again, राम कहानी जैसे पहले करते थे वही. In a double inverted comma, कुछ बच्चे mistakes कर रहे थे. They were putting single inverted comma for 2 times. Please don't do that. Double inverted comma for 1 time. Gift of 1000. Closing the double inverted comma. Pressing the comma to go to the last parameter of the syntax, which is value if true. Value if false, sorry. What will be the value of false? BKT. BKT. Closing the double inverted comma. Closing the bracket. Pressing the enter. Now this girl is getting qualified in everything. ये बेचारा गया, कौन था पता नहीं. अब BKT मिल रहा है, पहले गिफ्ट तो मिला था 1000 रुपए का. Just copy and paste it down to other cells. Oh, many students have got the BKT this time. That's the financial planning, There was a lot of expenditure happening. Now we have cut short that expenditure of gift. Is it clear? Surely? Acha, one more thing. This question could have been solved with the minimum function too. Try to frame a logic. Can someone tell me how can we solve this with the minimum function and if the combination of these two? Minimum क्या होना चाहिए? Very nice. So minimum का जो आंसर आया ना, that shall be more than 50. If that condition is satisfied, then also we want to give the gift. Let's solve this with the use of minimum function now. Let's start with the sign of equals to if function, yes or no. Open the bracket. Now I am there into the first syntax. Everyone please focus over here. वो वाला बाद में करना. अब लॉजिकल टेस्ट क्या है कि मेरा जो रेंज है ना उसका मिनिमम है वो मोर देन 50 होना चाहिए, है कि नहीं? So I am again inserting one more function which is minimum. जैसे ही और एक फंक्शन आया, the bracket will also come into a picture, yes or no? So again put the bracket. Now we are selecting the range in which we want to find the maximum. So the range will be all the subjects starting from the first to the last one, friends. And that will be with the help of shift and arrow button. Shift and arrow button के साथ will be selecting the range of the data from all the subjects, do not include total. So once this range is selected like this, D2 to I2, then we will close the bracket. So once we close a bracket, what do we get? Oh, sorry. Some change has taken place in my case. I'm selecting it again. Good. So D2 to I2, close the bracket, then again paste the comma. नहीं, comma नहीं, comma नहीं. ये minimum है वो किससे ज़्यादा होना चाहिए? 50 से ज़्यादा होना चाहिए. Which sign? Greater than sign. Greater than sign and 50. Yes or no? Comma. Now, if the minimum is more than 50, that certainly means that all the subjects are more than 50, right? Now, if that condition is satisfied, then again, राम कहानी पहले जैसी थी वैसे की वैसे. तो डबल इन्वर्टेड कोमा इंसर्ट कीजिए अपने दाएं हाथ में, माउस पकड़िए, दाएं हाथ अगर यूज कर नहीं करते हो तो बाएं हाथ में पकड़िए. हवन कुंड में अग्नि प्रज्वलित कीजिए. डबल इन्वर्टेड कोमा के अंदर गिफ्ट ऑफ 1000 की गुरु दक्षिणा दे दीजिए. क्लोजिंग द डबल इन्वर्टेड कोमा. फिर से एक बार कोमा प्रेस कीजिए. फिर से दूसरे हवन कुंड में जाइए. दूसरे हवन कुंड को डबल इन्वर्टेड कोमा से पहले शुरू कीजिए. टिकेट डाल दीजिए उसमें. हवन कुंड की समाप्ति हो गई. अभी भी एक छोटी समाप्ति करनी बाकी है because we have also inserted one bracket over there at the first time. So let's insert one more bracket too. अथ श्री रोनकाचार्य विरमचितम if अध्याय संपूर्णम. अथ श्री नहीं, इति श्री, sorry. Closing the bracket, then pressing the enter. हर बार करने की जरूरत, कॉपी करके पेस्ट करने की भी जरूरत वो तो है, हर बार नहीं है नहीं क्या है. कॉपी करके पेस्ट, या तो फिर you may have a double click. If the double click is not functioning in any of the PC, that's perfectly okay. We may have a copy and paste. Is it happening? Please check it out. These 4 students are getting qualified in everything. कौन है कौन है? Where is Miss Nitya? अच्छा, Mr. Nitya कि Miss Nitya? Mr. Nitya. Okay, fine. No. I'm really sorry. Even my name was shared with by one girl in one of my institute. That's okay, perfectly fine. तो किरण वाले लोग होते हैं जो दोनों जेंडर शेयर करते हैं. महेश्वरी quite visible. Vaibhav and Jainab. Jainab, I guess, girl, right? Generally, people use the Zainab. Is there any difference between the two? अच्छा, Zainab अच्छा, तो हम Jainab क्यों लिखूं? अच्छा, you don't know. Okay, fine. What do you mean by the Zainab? Oh, wow. That's a very nice meaning. Please repeat. रेगिस्तान में उगता हुआ ऐसा फूल जो किसी को प्राप्त नहीं होता. रुखजड़ के समान निकलता है वो फूल, किसी को प्राप्त नहीं होता. Is it clear? Okay, thank you so much. Now, what's the time? We have got 1:15. Shall I extend it to 5 minutes more? You people are leaving anywhere 2 p.m. No, friends? We have got a lot of setup time today. 15-20 मिनट तो इसे सेटअप में चली गई थी. एक और करते हैं. अच्छा, चलो सुनिए. अगर सुनना, I take generally these 2 subjects. One is finance and another one is MS Excel. Either you should get more than 90 in finance or you should get more than 90 in MS Excel. I hope my conditions are pretty clear. Either you should get more than 90 in finance or more than 90 in MS Excel. If any of these 2 conditions is satisfied, we want to give the gift. Otherwise, नॉट बाकी सब मार्केटिंग में स्कोर करो तो मैं क्यों दूं, मेरे सब्जेक्ट नहीं है भाई वो, मैं तो सिर्फ फाइनेंस और एक्सेल में दूंगा. So let's go over there. Start with the sign of equals to. In this case, any of these two conditions are satisfied. We want to give a gift. So instead of and, which will use or. Starting with the sign of equal to. सर ये कट क्यों हो रहा है? कट नहीं हो रहा है ब्रो, उसका हमें विथ इंक्रीज करना पड़ेगा. You may increase the width. You may go over there in O and P. Once this kind of the square is visible, just have a double click. Width will get automatically adjusted. Equals to if open the bracket. अब क्या करना है? गजब बेइज्जती है, कोई कोई मेरे सामने बगा से ले रहे, बोलो गजब बेइज्जती है. और गुड. So pressing or now, then again opening the bracket. Because or and if are the independent functions in the Excel, my friends. And if any sort of the independent function comes, no, the bracket will come. Logical test number 1. Is my voice coming properly over there to all the students? Only to one girl it's not properly audible. मेरे आवाज में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ना? अच्छा बेटा तुम्हें एक को ही नहीं सुनाई दे रहा है. मोटा भाभी, दूसरों की गलतियां फाइंड करने से पहले खुद के गरिबान में झांक के देखिए. दैट इज द रील नाउ फेमस ना nowadays. Okay, condition number 1 please. What do we have? Finance shall be more than 90. So select that cell D2, that shall be more than 90. Comma. Now MS Excel comma के बाद दूसरा वाला condition, no, MS Excel वाला cell I2, that should also be more than 90. Closing the bracket. This is how my syntax shall be visible to you. Check it out. If के बाद open the bracket or comma D2 shall be more than 90, I2 shall be more than 90. अब comma प्रेस करने की जरूरत है? हर बार क्या है? नहीं. प्रेस द comma. वो लाल बटन दिख रहा है, नहीं प्रेस करना था. दमल. अच्छा, once you press the comma, if any of these conditions are satisfied, what do we want to give? 1000. अब तो नक्की है 1000 से ज्यादा रौनक सर किसी को देते नहीं है, होने भी तो चाहिए. और तुम मार्क्स लाओ, उसमें एक तो मेहनत हमारी, और उसमें भी गिफ्ट भी हम दे. ओ माय गॉड. गिफ्ट ऑफ 1000. क्लोजिंग द डबल इन्वर्टेड कॉमा, अगेन प्रेसिंग द कॉमा टू गो टू द लास्ट वन. अब तो हमारी अधूरी कहानी एकदम हलवा है. क्या है? हलवा. HH. Let's put that in a double inverted comma. We'll be giving the BKT again. Closing the double inverted comma, closing the bracket like this. अब ज्यादा कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Press the enter. Before that, you may just cross verify the syntax. क्लियर है? अच्छा, इसके अंदर और भी मन चाहे जितने भी फंक्शंस डालने हो ना डाल सकते हो. यू मैं टेक इट अप टू 2 फंक्शंस, 3 फंक्शंस, 4 फंक्शंस, 5 फंक्शंस. इफ के अंदर और एक इफ, उसके अंदर और एक इफ, पूरा लॉजिकल फ्लो ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. लेकिन ये ऐसा वाला कोर्स है बेसिक्स ऑफ एडवांस एक्सेल. होता तो 4-5 और कंडीशन इंसर्ट करते और प्रोग्रामिंग करते पूरा, लेकिन यहां तक क्लियर होना चाहिए हमारा. क्लियर है? नाइस. प्रेसिंग द एंटर. That boy is gone now. Let me have a double click. ओह, ये अचानक से ये भाई को मिल गया. कौन है ये? मतलब that fellow is performing well only in my subjects, huh? Even this one, Anandi. Is it clear, my friends? If function is clear, max minimum is clear, and then or is also clear. Now, before we leave, we will just saving our whatever the work we have done. And I think you might have pasted this file on the desktop. So, if you want to keep the name of your folder, the folder of your training that, you may keep it. Otherwise, this file will be gone. Next time, again, you have to work on the board. It's your choice. If you want to work, keep your work same, you may keep it. इनका नहीं होगा तो you will worry about. We have the other files. And after shutting down the PC, slowly and steadily after putting your chair in the organized manner, limit is possible. अच्छा बाकी घंटे के बाद जाना है थोड़ा सा एमबीए स्टूडेंट्स प्रोफेशनल करने जाते हैं लास्ट वाला नहीं हुआ ओके जिनका हो रहा है वो धीरे धीरे जा सकते हैं अपना शट डाउन करके अपना सेव करके पीसी को शट डाउन करना है पूरा अपना चेयर फिर से वापस अपनी जगह पर धीरे धीरे जा सकते हैं जितना नहीं हो रहा है ओके नीचे वाला जो व्हाइट स्विच होता है ना वो भी वापस बंद कर देना इलेक्ट्रिक स्विच नीचे वाला इलेक्ट्रिक स्विच भी बंद कर देना ठीक है व्हाइट आज के लिए थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिस कर लो फिर नेक्स्ट 5-6 सेशंस में आपको
Attendance and attendance.
let's calculate Google form that is real body part